Do you ever feel like your mind is running faster than life itself? You replay old conversations, you second-guess every decision, you live tomorrow's fears before today is even done. That's overthinking. And it's exhausting, but what if I told you that clarity is possible, that in just 7 days you can quiet the noise, reclaim your peace, and live with calm focus? This week, I'll walk with you through a day-by-day journey to stop overthinking forever. This isn't theory, it's practical. Real, simple steps you can take small by small to the greater journey ahead of you starting today. Welcome to Find Clarity with Kaduru. Please subscribe if you have not done so and press the notification bell such that you don't miss out on our weekly updates. Overthinking is not a flaw, it's your brain trying to protect you, but doing it in the wrong way. It's like an overprotective friend, always warning you of dangers that aren't even there in the first place. The truth is, clarity isn't the absence of thought, it's the art of guiding thought to the right direction. Albert Einstein once said, "You cannot solve a problem with the same mind that created it." This journey is about training the mind to let go of excesses, so it can hold on to what truly matters. Day 1. Awareness, catch the spiral. Write down the top 5 thoughts that come up repeatedly in your min. For example, what if I fail at work? Or I can't pass my exam, my relationship is failing me, or did I embarrass myself yesterday? Once they're on paper, they lose their power. Example, imagine your mind is a noisy market. Journaling is like stepping outside to see which voices keep shouting the loudest. Awareness is step 1 to freedom. Day 2, breathing space. Calm the storm. Try the 4-7-8 breathing technique 3 times a day, morning, afternoon and night. Pause. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold it for 7 seconds. Exhale for 8 seconds. This simple act calms the nervous system. You can't imagine how powerful this could be.
When your boss criticizes you before replying, breathe and then take your time to reply. When anxiety rises at night, breathe. Think of your breath as an anchor. The storm may rage above, but the anchor keeps you steady below.
Day 3, gratitude reset. Shift the lens. Gratitude doesn't erase problems, it balances the scale. Tonight, write 3 things you're grateful for. Example, instead of "I messed up my presentation," write "I had the courage to present and I learned something new." Gratitude is the lens that shifts the picture. Day 4, digital declutter. Protect your mind. Overthinking thrives on overload. Limit your news scrolling. Mute accounts that trigger comparison. Example, if Instagram makes you feel behind in life, replace that 20 minutes with a podcast that inspires, like the one you are listening to right now, and practice the exercises. Guard your mind like your home. Day 5. Positive self-talk. Rewire the voice. For every negative thought, replace it with a healing one. Example, "I can't do this." Replace it with "I'm still learning, and that's okay." The words you say to yourself shape your destiny. Imagine talking to your best friend. Would you ever speak to them the way you sometimes speak to yourself? Day 6. Action over rumination. Do one thing. Overthinking freezes us. The cure is action. Until you take the first step, you will never get out of the loop of several thoughts. If you've been stuck on sending an email for days, send a draft. If you're overthinking a decision, choose the smallest next step. For example, if you're thinking, "Should I start a fitness journey?" just go for a 10-minute walk. One action breaks the cycle of 1,000 thoughts. Day 7, mindful presence. Root in now. Presence is the ultimate clarity. Practice the 5-4-3-2-1 method. Notice 5 things you see, 4 things you feel, 3 you hear, 2 you smell, and 1 you taste. Example, during dinner, instead of replaying your day, actually taste your food using the above method. When walking, feel your steps. The present moment is where overthinking cannot live. In 7 days, you've built a toolkit. Awareness, breath, gratitude, boundaries, self-talk, action, and presence. These are not tricks, they're habits that rewire your brain, but you must practice and repeat them in order to achieve these results. Overthinking loses its grip because clarity has taken its place. You'll notice yourself sleeping better, laughing easier, talking smarter, and choosing with confidence. That's the power of transformation from chaos to clarity. Imagine, this journey doesn't end here. Every week we take one more step into peace, growth, and resilience. Subscribe to Find Clarity with Kaduru so you don't miss the next guide. Like this video, if it gave you hope, share it with someone who overthinks, and let me know in the comments. Which day spoke most to you? If this journey touched you, imagine what awaits in the weeks ahead. here on Find Clarity. With Kaduru, every video is a step toward your strongest, calmest, most resilient self. And because I want you to succeed, I've created a free 7-day clarity journal you can download right now to guide your reflections each day of this journey. Check the link in the description. Remember, overthinking doesn't define you. Clarity is your birthright. Let's walk this road together. Stay positive and keep believing in yourself. Thank you for watching. Check our next video for an uplifting insight like this one. Don't forget to subscribe.